And I think we're gonna get a monster goldband. It's a goldband! So nice!
Yeah, they're hungry at the moment. Alright crew, welcome back to another episode. We are going fishing. We're out on the Sea Panda. Xander's in the water having a little bit of a swim. Now the reason we're waiting at the moment is because Caitlin's over there on the glassy. Caitlin! There's Caitlin. She's cleaning the glass at the moment. Everyone's having a bit of a snorkel. Such a beautiful day. We're going to get out there and get amongst it. So when Caitlin finishes the tour, we're going to pick her up and head out and see if we can get some goldband. That's so cool. We just come across a bottlenose wedgefish. So I'm going to try and get some footage for you guys. There's a few different type of wedgefish. I think that was a bottlenose wedgefish, but we'll have to have a look at the footage. It's always a little bit harder to see when you're in the water, but we'll confirm that with the name as usual. Xander did his first filming job. How'd you go, mate?
Good. I reckon I did a pretty good job with the filming.
Hopefully. And how was your experience with the wedgefish?
Really cool. It's my first time getting close to a wedgefish.
Nice. And yeah, they're one of the most endangered species of fish on the planet, so really cool that we've got them in decent numbers here at Ningaloo. We did actually see some people yesterday trying to fish for them on the jetty, which is always a little bit disheartening, but yeah. So we picked up Caitlin, here she is.
Hi crew!
And
how beautiful the water is here.
This is that bommy that you guys have snorkeled with us before on, but it's such a nice day. Wind's backing off again, beautifully. Caitlin's going to jump in for a quick dip. Go.
Go. I want to take my little shorties
She's
off first.
Feeling hot.
Well, I just finished work, packing up the boat and everything. It's like 1,000,000 degrees, there's flies everywhere. Got to reset.
Oh, Xander's gone in too!
Oh, it's so nice!
I'm going to clip you guys there, and I'm going to go in too.
I missed this blue. Helen, this is what it was like for a week when you weren't here. I know, you guys got so lucky.
What do you mean? It's been like this every day.
Mate. So nice! Oh, good.
just slotting out through one of our passages here. This one's quite a big passage, but look how blue it looks out the back today. Beautiful Gatorade blue, some beautiful coral here. This is obviously the outer reef. You can see the swell breaking on the outer reef all the way down there. And there's another side to this passage, but there's a bommy in the middle of it here. And this is Caitlin here, just here.
I'm so excited.
Nothing to say. Okay, so yeah, this is where we're going. This is what we're doing. It's 12 meters deep here and we can still make out the bottom. Oh, it's just dropped down to 20. But we can still make out the bottom nice and clearly in 12 meters of water. Typically coming out of all passages, you've got this tide line here. And so you might get some pelagics and that feeding along the tide line. There's a sea snake, turtle. What is it? Big turtle there, just took a dive. Another turtle down there. Turtle down there. Big dog. Lots of turtles around this time of year. Obviously it's nesting and hatching time. All right, we're going to punch out to about 100 meters. Oh.
They're right there.
Yeah, I saw that.
What have you got on it?
Just a Qantas flicker. Qantas flicker.
We need to get closer.
Yeah, that's right. There's another little school over there, hey?
There's a couple more bust ups happening over here, and there was a couple of bigger splashes in that one too, so... Oh, they're all around us.
Try and drift onto this one.
Get them! Wow, it's so blue. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, right in there. The bird wants it.
All right, mate, put it in gear.
Put it in gear?
Yeah, take us to the left.
Wait.
No, it's already in gear, it's already running. So you're gonna press the button in from the bottom, mate. Push it forward quickly. Yep, that's it. And just ease it forward. Drive to the left. Got Xander on the helm.
Look at him go. Alright, no luck flicking at them. We're gonna change the lures and do a little bit of trolling and see if we have any more luck that way. I think most of them look like little bonitos, but there was a couple of bigger splashes in there. So at least there's some life around. That's good. And the water is so blue, but there's lots of maybe trichodesmium. I don't know if you'll be able to see in the camera, but all of those little particles on the top of the water there, they're like little algae particles.
Okay, go forward, mate.
Which is good because there's lots of food for the fish.
Straight to the saviour.
Yes, we're winding them in. We're done with trolling. We are gonna go find some goldband. Yes, Sander, look at you go.
You've got the technique, eh?
Yeah, you just need a fish on the end of that bad boy. Look at how blue this water is. Oh, it's so nice. We've just arrived at our spot, so we're going to do some deep dropping here. I know that a lot of you guys don't find the deep dropping very interesting to watch because we're using an electric reel, and people reckon that if you're using an electric reel you're not doing anything. You still have to feel that the fish is there and pull it up just like you would. You just don't have to reel in a couple 100 meters of line. But anyway, our freezers, well, my freezer is empty. So yeah, gonna try and get a couple fish and then go for a bit more exploring. We're in about 100-ish meters right now. And look at it. I want to go for a swim. Alright, we've done like 3 or 4 drops with nothing. Went for a little swim and now we're on. Got a little fish coming up.
Where's your hat on, mate?
Nope, you don't want to talk to the crew?
Sorry, what? We've got a little fish on, tiny little fish in 120 metres. I think we're in 120 metres, but it's funny because we drifted 20 metres to the left of this mark and we got some little nibbles, but they just basically took the bait, and now we just went directly on the mark to save you, and yeah, we're on. Dan's going to haul it in though.
You got to go quick because you just said the S word.
Yeah, who taught this boy?
S-H-A-R-K.
Don't even...
Well, I didn't want them to think you said the other S word. There it is.
Colour?
Yeah.
Colour? Shiny?
Doesn't look red. Go, 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 Xander.
There's some bubbles chasing it.
It's a Goldband.
Dad, I need help.
Coming, mate. Nice, mate.
Woo!
Fine.
Little Goldband. That's not too bad.
That's on the top hook too.
Oh, how good. Little Goldband. Oh, look at his colours. It's so pretty. Nice work. Still, first fish. And that was our target species, so how good. Oh God. Right, we'll pop this little fishy in the esky and then drop again. Dropping again.
Hey, just make sure there's no... second.
Going down. We're on again.
This one looks a little bit more substantial maybe.
Barely even touched the bottom that time.
Yeah, they're hungry at the moment. Very nice.
There it is. Looks like another Goldband. Woohoo!
They had a bit more fight though, didn't it, mate? Watch out, buddy.
Another Goldband.
They're all little though.
Yeah. Little Goldbands. They're such a pretty fish.
Well, that one's more colourful than the other. I think it might be a shark.
Putting up a bit more of a fight on this one.
Stop saying the word.
Oh, yeah, so.
Mate, who taught this boy?
You.
No, I did not teach you that.
The S word slipped out again. But this is either a bigger fish or a more angry fish or a different kind of fish. Why are you doing that?
There's a bit of snot in the end of the rod there. This looks bigger, doesn't it?
Ooh.
Oh, that looks a bit sharp.
What?
That looks a bit sharp.
What?
A bit like it's something we don't want.
Oh. What are we at?
30. But it's slipping.
Oh, I see it.
What is it, mate?
Shark.
You reckon?
Nah.
Wind, 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 mate.
Quick.
Okay, out the way. Out the way.
I'm getting...
Quick, more speed. Oh. It's another Goldband.
Jeez, that was like...
Why were you so hard to pull up, little Goldband?
It's really got a bit of fight to it, this one.
We've done a few more drops at a couple different spots and haven't got anything. So we've still just got the 3 little Goldbands, but Craig's just dropped it in again. And I think we're gonna get a monster Goldband. And then we're gonna go for a snorkel. Hopefully see some amazing things. Hopefully this blue water reaches right up to the reef. And yeah, you never know, there could be whale sharks around or anything, who knows? It's going to be amazing.
All right, crew, we are departing the fishing grounds. We've got 5 Goldband. That's enough. All little ones. We want to get the big ones one day. Well, it randomly got a little bit choppy out there, so we thought we would come back into the lagoon. Dan is starting to recover, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
He was feeling a bit green around the gills there for a little while. But yeah, look at this little spot. We might jump in for a swim here. What do you reckon, Caitlin?
I think we should go to explore first.
Okay, we're doing a quick little explore first, and then we'll come back to a spot that we like. Caitlin has the cam.
Look how beautiful and clear it is. Wow. Whoa. We don't often get down to this spot, so how good. Much nicer in here than out there.
Yeah, that got very average very quickly.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised Anna's feeling a bit crook.
Yeah, that was brutal. Whoa!
We don't want to ruin it for him. Yeah, we don't want to ruin it for him. Obviously, if he feels trapped out there when he's sick, he's not going to want to come out next time. So we've come back in. Oh, look at this beautiful coral here. There's a nice place.
Yeah, so pretty.
UV index must be high.
Yeah, so crispy.
Okay, we have arrived at a snorkel spot. This is a newish one.
Just a random bommy we found.
Just a random bommy, and Dan's already seen a shark. He's off in the water. Kaylee's going to take the 360 cam today.
Yeah, we're liking the 360 cam. What do you guys think of it? Yeah, that's alright, I wasn't talking anyway.
What do you guys think of the 360 cam? Anyway, let us know in the comments, but I'm going to take the GoPro. We'll probably swap halfway because Caitlin wants to do some bubble rings with the 360 camera. So we'll see how that goes. Alright crew, hope you enjoyed that snorkel. We're heading back now. It's 4:15. But still beautiful conditions, but we're quite a way south and we're going to make our way back. So yeah, we get to enjoy the glassy lagoon. Oh, there's a guardie. Get to enjoy the glassy lagoon all the way home, and I think the water's just going to get bluer and clearer as we go. So here we go. We're just arriving back at the boat ramp. Caitlin's been filming on the pole cam. Now, I wouldn't recommend coming in that way unless you know what you're doing. We're on a massive tide at the moment, super high tide. There's a lot of really shallow bits there, even on the high tide. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't hug the beach like that. But I also know that that stretch of beach there's no people accessing it. There are some spots where there's poles sticking out of the water, so you really want to be careful going through there. But you can see at the boat ramp here, it's a super high tide, isn't it?
So high.
How was your day?
I had the best day. I got so sunburnt today. I'm very crispy.
Even after applying sunscreen 4 times?
I put sunscreen on so many times, but the sun is spicy today, so.
Yeah,
but it was so
hot and
epic.
humid.
So good.
All right, crew, thanks so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed all the fishing and the snorkeling and drones and all the stuff we had for you. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed yourselves. We'll see you next week here on Ningaloo Crew.
Bye!
Hi, Caitlin. 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 Nothing. So we've got Xander training to be a wildlife videographer here. Do you just keep swimming with it, mate? Right, that's enough of that tomfoolery and ballyhoo. Time to go. There's Xander. Looking sharp, mate. You had a haircut yesterday. He's looking fresh.
Are you filming?
I'm filming the sky.
Why are you filming this guy? So we're gonna go to 100
Something like that. Down, 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 down.
Whoa, falling.
But for those that say we can't fish, don't take a long walk off a short pier.